stop rape.
Women are not safe.
Life cannot go on without women.
People don't give them so much values.
Being a woman, we can do a lot of things.
Women are a very important part of the society.
Actually, there is not a specific day to celebrate women.
Celebrated because it's the empowerment of women.
Women are the backbone of society, shaping the world with their strength, resilience and grace. On this International Women's Day, we bring the voices of Guwahati's women as they share their thoughts on empowerment and equality. Let's hear them out and celebrate the spirit of womanhood.
Women's Day, I think, is celebrated because it's the empowerment of women, and women are a very important part of the society. So it's not that we tend to, remember women on only one single day, but even then, just to focus, just to remind ourselves that women are an integral part of society. They should be given their rights. So it's just a reaffirmation of the status of women in society.
Actually, there is not a specific day to celebrate women. We should celebrate women every day. So yeah, that's it. We should celebrate every day actually. There should not be a specific day to celebrate Women's Day because we women are very special. We work, we do everything. We can do everything.
I think women's empower
to honor the women of the world have contributed so much to the world.
To celebrate women, I believe, to celebrate how successful they have become, and maybe because people don't give them so much value, so they have decided this day to celebrate women so that they feel empowered. I think that is why we celebrate it.
for equality, equality for everything.
Being a woman, we can do a lot of things. Just like we can do makeup, we can style ourselves.
Now women like traveling, adventure.
Solo travelers.
Yeah.
The factors actually, life cannot go on without women. That's one of the main factors. Like whatever importance may be given to men, but if women are taken away, then the next generation won't come. I think that's the single most important, role of women in society. And even after that, as a homemaker, as a caregiver, then to provide emotional support to the family. Even if she works, it's fine. Even if she doesn't work, she's equally important for the house. And you can feel that when she's not around. Suppose the woman of the family is not there, she expires, then the whole house is in a mess. So that way I think she's a very important part of the society and the home.
There are people who have paved the way for us to be able to get able to get education, healthcare, and the fact that there have been people who have enabled us to be able to work in workspaces, and that's what makes me feel empowered.
And like we're empowered to take decisions also.
Equality, which we have started getting now in jobs, and I can make my own decisions whether I want to get married, whether I want to have kids, and how many kids. And I think in everywhere, in every field.
Yeah, of course. Nowadays, yes.
Somewhere, some places people does, but I don't think so nowadays people does, or they should also. They shouldn't do this. They should give freedom to everyone, I guess.
People say that women and men are equal, but in many aspects, I think. But it, you can say in security purpose, women are
Dominating
not
also.
safe. Women are not safe. Just like man can travel in night, but
Women can't.
Being equal, men and women are equal, but women can't.
But society is not allowed, no?
Not really equality to women. I mean, the laws are there. The government is trying its best. But, I think what is lacking is the enforcement part. Just merely making of laws is not going to help. There has to be substantial follow-up, and the loopholes should be mended. And it should be, especially in the lower strata of society, where, most of the cases of abuse and exploitation are not reported. So this aspect should be actually, looked upon. And so the government should amend or maybe even do more of follow-up and more of implementation of the right laws, in society.
Yeah, in every aspect. Yeah.
Like just the double. In small things it can be seen. Like there is this, you know, at times there is a stereotype that, you know, women will be doing these things, men will be doing these things, and that you know, without even thinking, like sometimes unknowingly it happens that we just make it like we make it you know, someone says something ki, you do this because you're a girl, even if it's like they'll be just thinking like, you know, without making it a stereotype, but it's prevalent there in many scenarios.
They separate us, like we live in a girls' hostel, we have an in time, no one else has in time, so it's very basic and it's
What
very
we dress will be like, you know,
question.
you're wearing, why are you wearing this? Whereas a guy will be like,
we aren't allowed to like wear very short dresses, which and go out. But
Like
if
guys
guys,
wouldn't because of the
Ha.
place we live in, but there are restrictions too.
Sometimes, yeah, like see, India is a very like because of traditions, like on the sake of traditions, they say because of these are our rituals and we have to follow some things, and in those things I feel we are lacking behind because there are few rituals which make women feel a little setback. So that is, yeah, we need to change as a society, I think.
Not like in terms of law, but yeah, like in home sometimes. Yes. Brother say to sister, go to kitchen like that.
yeah, okay.
Normal basis.
Great answer. And do you have anything else to say?
There are many ways in which they are like, you know, subjugated in day-to-day basis, in terms of studies, in terms of work. I think, yeah.
But nowadays the salaries also is equal for women and men.
Somewhere, if you see like the prices for women, like sometimes we have to pay extra. Like in case of razors, if you see, just because like
Tax.
a paying tax because of that.
Pink tax,
I
yes.
don't know why that exists.
Like we for shopping already, women pay extra, like compared to men. That for the pink tax that she said, yeah, that's normal basis.
I guess stop rape and this things like give people also like women also a chance to do everything.
First, the safety is must.
Safety. Police force, I think, is one too much.
I think one of the most basic the initiative that the government can take, and which it has taken already, is the passing of the Women's Reservation Bill, right? However, it is not implemented as of yet. It will be implemented after, I think, the delimitation, after the census is done, which will, again, I don't know when it will be done. But I urge the government to do it as fast as possible so that Women Reservation Bill could be passed. And because if women are given seats in the decision-making committee itself, only then we will be given equal opportunities, and our this stance will be, you know, useful. Our voice will be heard.
Like the pink tax should be abolished first of all. Second of
Not
all,
abolish, like थोड़ा
it
कम
should
करना
be
चाहिए.
abolished. भाई क्या करने के लिए है pink tax? किस खुशी में है pink tax? Like razor, if you see, the razor for men and women are same, but like the price is high for women just because it's pink in color or maybe things. Then sanitary pads, I like if you see in some places, we have to pay for the sanitary tax, like in restrooms maybe, and it should be free. Like sometimes when like the flow might be too much, and like if the person does not have change, then it becomes a hustle to ask around or something. Then sometimes the job prices, like salaries for some women, if they do the same amount of work, if they do the same thing, if they are in the same position, still women are sometimes paid less, and they are like constantly made feel that you're not enough.